Hello friends, welcome you all to this new video lecture on an interesting topic of physics. Magnetism has fascinated mankind right from the ancient times. As we all know, there are two kinds of magnets, natural magnets and the artificial magnets. Natural magnets occur in nature with a permanent magnetic field, whereas the artificial ones are externally created by humans. Is it possible to create a magnet? Yes, of course. We can create an artificial magnet with the help of electricity, and such magnets are called electromagnets. That is the topic of our talk today. We are going to learn about electromagnets, how they came into origin, the principle behind them, and a few applications in a brief manner. First, let us see the definition of an electromagnet. An electromagnet is a device consisting of a core of magnetic material surrounded by a coil through which an electric current is passed to magnetize the core. We have a core of magnetic material like iron or something. That core is surrounded by a coil. When we pass electric current through the coil, the core is magnetized. That is, the magnetic material in the core becomes a magnet. If we have an iron core, then the iron core is converted into an electromagnet. Thus, we shall convert a magnetic material into a magnet with the help of electricity, and that magnets are called electromagnets. This is a simple electromagnet made out of a battery, copper wire, and an iron nail. The copper wire is wound over the iron nail, which acts as the core. When electric current passes through this copper coil, it magnetizes the iron core. See, when I bring a pin near this iron nail, it readily attracts the pins. It attracts the pins, and this shows that this iron nail is converted into an electromagnet. When we see the origin of this idea of producing electromagnet, it takes us back to the year 1820. It was on 21st April 1820, a historical incident took place in the classroom of a famous physicist, Hans Christian Weierstedt. He was delivering a lecture to his friends with the help of many circuits, and there was a small magnetic compass needle on the table. Whenever he turned on and turned off the electric circuits, he could observe a deflection, a very minute deflection in the magnetic needle. The deflection was so minute that even his students couldn't notice it. But Weierstedt was a keen observer and always viewed things with a scientific perspective. That's why he could discover a magical effect out of that lucky accident. What was that effect? That was the magnetic effect of electric current. He found that a current-carrying conductor is surrounded by a magnetic field. This is indeed a significant milestone in the history of physics, because this gave birth to a new important discipline of physics called electromagnetism, which combines the features of both electricity and magnetism. Thus, magnetic effect of electric current is the basic principle behind an electromagnet. These electromagnets have got a wide range of applications in real life. This is because we can change the magnetic poles by changing the direction of electric current. That is, we can change North Pole into South Pole or South Pole into North Pole by simply changing the direction of electric current. Also, we can control the magnetic field. This is a proved advantage when we compare electromagnets with the permanent magnets. So they have a lot of applications, and some of the significant ones include loudspeakers, magnetic levitation, magnetic resonance imaging, and the list goes on and on. In this video lecture, we have learnt about electromagnets, their origin, basic principle, and a few applications. Hope you all understood the concepts well. Meet you all in the next lecture with another interesting topic of physics. Till then, stay connected with physical science. Thank you and goodbye.